Today we are conducting an experiment to test short-term memory and see how many words can be memorized in a brief amount of time. Information that is stored in short-term memory is readily available, however, it is only present for a short period of time. Through repetition and rehearsal, information can be better retained and recalled. The brain is involved in processing and storing memories. The prefrontal cortex plays an important role in processing short-term memory. The study of human memory stretches back at least 2,000 years to Aristotle's early attempts to understand memory in his treatise on the soul. The 18th century English philosopher David Hartley was the first to hypothesize that memories were encoded through hidden motions in the nervous system. Founding fathers of psychology, William James and Wilhelm Wundt, both carried out some early basic research into how the human memory functions in the 1870s and 1880s. James hypothesized the idea of neuroplasticity many years before it was demonstrated. It was not until the mid-1880s that the young German philosopher Hermann Ebbinghaus developed the first scientific approach to studying memory. Today we will conduct an experiment on two college students, Andrew and Nicole, and test their short-term memory. For the first part of the experiment, Andrew and Nicole are both given 30 seconds to memorize a list of 25 words and 60 seconds to recall as many of those words as they can. 18 out of the 25 words were normal words, while 7 were curse words. We tested to see how many curse words they can recall versus how many non-curse words they can recall.
It's like I hit a roadblock.
Five, four, three, two, one, stop.
For the second half of our experiment, Andrew and Nicole were given a list of 25 normal words and again 30 seconds to memorize and 60 seconds to recall as many words as they can.
Done.
That's all I remember.
I just kind of want to throw in a word randomly. I don't know if it's going to be correct. Tap out. throw some words.
4,
See if they
3,
are there.
2, 1, stop.
As a side experiment, we manipulated the time and gave the participants 60 seconds instead of 30 to memorize the same list of 25 normal words. We wanted to test if time was a factor when testing our short-term memory.
Don't take that in a bad context.
Stop. Stop.
During the experiment, we saw that participants could only recall information for 20 to 30 seconds. They were, however, given 1 minute to write down what they recalled, which seemed to be too much time. In future experiments, giving the equal amount of time to memorize and recall may be helpful. Due to this, we timed the participants for 1 minute each time and saw an increase in the words written down. It would also be good for future experiments to have a more diverse participant group.